Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. I just got this Mr. Beam's MB990 light that I plan to install over the shower because it says it's for indoor and outdoor, so I'm guessing it's weatherproof, and it said you could put it in the shower, at least in the description. So I'm going to try it and let's see what happens. It runs on D batteries, so I mean, the worst that'll happen is the D batteries will get rotted out and then it'll stop working after probably 3 to 6 months, and then I'll have to fight with someone to get my money back. But that's the worst that'll happen. So I can't really say, you know, it's bad or good or whatever right now because I just got it. But this is what it looks like. This is what the box just came in. Let's open it up and let's see what we got. Okay, we got our directions right here, which I'm probably not going to read, but I will try and see if I need to, but I shouldn't. So these are the directions of how to install it. I doubt it's that hard to install it. So they give you anchors. They give you some anchors and screws and stuff like that. So I'm probably not going to use any of these because I don't know if these are stainless steel or not. I don't know what they are, so we'll see what's up with that. And then here's the light. This is what it looks like. What's in here? Oh, something's in here. Some kind of screw is in here. Only one. Only one of these screws are in here. So this is kind of what it looks like right here. And if you guys see that, yeah, right? Kind of what it looks like right there. Yeah, right there. So kind of what it looks like right there. And it says lock, unlock, all that other stuff. And that's how you get it off. There it is. And this is what it looks like on the inside. The batteries go in here. I'll try to push this back a little bit so you can see. Okay, so now you can see a little bit better, but this is what it's going to look like. Where the D batteries, there's 4 D batteries it takes, so it's going to be very heavy, so you want to make sure it does not fall off the ceiling. So make sure you screw it in properly and get it on, because this thing is going to be heavy with 4 D batteries. Here's the base, it looks like. And then there's another part of the base that comes off. Boom, this is the one that screws. This is the one that screws onto the ceiling, so you're going to screw this into the whatever line, grout line you can get in there. I would go for the grout line because I'm lazy, and I would try to screw it into the grout. So that's going to go into the grout line, and then, oh, here's where the other screw goes, I guess, right there. So when it goes, oh, okay. So when it goes into here, and you lock it, you screw it in with this screw, it looks like. So you put it in here like that. And that's it. Screws in like that so it doesn't go anywhere and can't fall off the ceiling. So that's the plan. So that's about it. That's the box opening of it. That's what it looks like. That's what you can expect. And I'm going to get this thing installed and show you what it looks like and how bright it's going to look like inside my shower, and show you how the differences and what you can expect the difference will be inside your shower when you do get this. All right. So that's it. Stay tuned for the rest. All right, everybody, we are back with the install of the Mr. Beams that I'm about to install. I made the marks already where I'm gonna install it. I already made marks on there. I pre-drilled it. Well, I put this up of where I want to position it, and that's where I'm gonna make the holes. So I put it up there. I already made the marks with a marker. So let's get this drilled out and get this going. So I'm going to pre-drill it first with a small, I don't know, 532. I'm going to do it with a 532 inch bit first, just to pre-drill it so it doesn't crack, and that's just what I like to do. So let's get that drilled. Now you should be wearing eyewear and all that other stuff, I know, but I didn't wear it, so. right, so we pre-drilled with the small bit. Let's do it with the bigger, the 1/4 inch now. That's the anchors I'm going to use as the 1/4 inch anchors. Can you even see that? I don't even know. Probably not, no. But I'm gonna, yeah, so I drilled it with that small one. And now I'm gonna go with the 1/4 inch bit is what I'm gonna drill, is this size right here. So I'm gonna drill that one. And that's the size anchor I'm using because I'm using blue anchors. I didn't use the ones that came with it. I'm gonna use these blue ones instead. I like these. I use these at work when I hang up shelves and stuff like that, and they're very strong, so that's the reason why. So. Okay. Make sure when you're putting these anchors in, you put them in the right way. Don't stick these in the grout. Stick these in the against the tile, so when it separates, it goes against the tile. It's a lot stronger. All right, that feels nice and tight. That's nice and tight up there. So that's how that's gonna go. And then we're gonna put the next piece in. Hopefully you can see it all from here. So I put the base plate in. So now this plate is the one that goes in next. And then it gets screwed in like this. So it goes just like that. So, yeah, so, all right. Okay. So it kind of locks in. It locks in there really cool. So so yeah, like I said, it locks in, and this is where the screw goes inside this piece to go like that. So let's get the D batteries in here. I'll be right back. I gotta open up the pack of D batteries. Let me get that going, and I'll be right back, and then we'll get through the rest of this install. All right, thank you. All right, so we got the light. What you have to do is install the back first and then install the light on there. So see, the light's on right now because I have it on motion. This is how bright it is. I don't know if it's shining in the camera bright, but this is what it looks like. So we're gonna put this, I took out the black cap right here. There's a black cap. It says take it out if you want it on motion. So there's a black cap that goes in here, and I pulled it right off. And that's for if you want it in motion or not. And I want it on motion is what I do want. So that's what I do want. So let's go from there. So this goes on here first, like this. This goes on here like this, and then you lock it right on. And this way it won't come off, right? And then you take the screw. They have the screw that they give you right here. And you're going to screw right in here. It's a thumb screw, so it goes right in. You don't need anything special to put it in. You can even use your nail to make it a little bit tight, yeah. So that's how it's going to go like that. I don't know how long it stays on yet. I'll let you know in a second. But let's put this up and we'll see what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like. So it goes up just like this. That's it. It's on. Okay? So that's pretty much what it looks like and what it's going to look like. And I don't know when it turns off. It didn't give me any kind of thing yet, detection of when it's going to turn off yet. So I'm not sure when it's going to turn off. So we'll see about that. So I'll let you know when it turns off because it hasn't turned off yet and it's been almost a minute or so. Alright, so it turned off. So now it's off right now, as you can see, it's off. And then as soon as you move, obviously, it turns on. So I'm not sure how long that is. Let's see. So now it's on. So it's about 20 seconds it stays on. So, and then you got to move your hand and then it turns back on. So, okay, that's what it looks like. That's what you can expect. I counted about 20 seconds, right? And then it turned on and off or whatever, it turned on. So that's what it's going to look like and that's it. So, thank you everybody for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I'm going to put on one more video though. Actually, I'm going to put on one more video of when it's darker out, and then I'll put it up again when it's dark out, when it's light out, because there's too much light coming through all this, window right here. There's a lot of light protruding through here, and you can't really justify how bright this is. So I'm going to wait till it gets dark, do another video, let you guys see it, and then compare the difference of what it looks like when it's darker, not when it's blaring sunlight through this window right here. All right? Thank you, everybody. All right, so this is what it looks like at nighttime, so you guys can see how bright it gets. I'm going to turn off the lights, and you're going to see how bright it gets. That's pretty bright. So that's put all the lights off, and that's it being dark outside. That is what it's going to look like. All right. Then it turns back on, and that's what it looks like. All right. So that's pretty much what you can expect for it to look like. Let me fold this up. So this is how bright it is in here right now. This is just with this light on, and that's it. This is how bright it's making the room. So you can see how bright the room is. See? So that's how bright it's going to be. So, ow. Alright? So that's it. That's what you can expect from this light. How bright it's going to be in the dark. And this is how bright it's going to be in the dark, so you guys can see. And that's it. Thank you for watching Glen Velvet Reviews. I am out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.